How to remove third-party app access from Google. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Settings application, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Google. Now click on Manage your Google account. Now tap on Data and Privacy. Now scroll down. Now click on Third-party apps and services. Now choose the app you want to remove. Now scroll down and click on Delete all connections. Now tap on Confirm. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.